It's time for our Nuvo water heater cartridge replacement. I put the Nuvo system in over a year ago, and now it's time for its annual cartridge replacement. So I thought I'll just show you how to replace it. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the box and get it installed. Okay, I've got kind of a tiny area to get in here. This is actually our guest house. It's just a 400 square foot cabin, and I put the tankless water heater in here years ago, and it's worked great. I did want to protect the water heater from scale buildup. I am a plumber by trade. I've put a lot of Nuvo systems in homes, and I seen this. I thought, well, this would be great for the tankless water heater. So, as far as the replacement cartridge, it just comes in the box, and then it just got this blue tape over it. We're going to remove that, and then remove the black cap. Now, when you do this, you do need to turn the water off and get the pressure off. So you'll want to go ahead and shut your water off to your water heater or valve prior to the Nuvo system itself. And then at that point, you're going to need to get a bucket or, in this case, a bowl. And we're going to go ahead and pull up on the locking mechanism. There's notches around here that lock this in place. So I'm going to go ahead and just give that a little bit of turn. I'm going to go push the red button on top. That'll relieve any water pressure that's in the system. And it just slips down just like that. I'm going to remove the old filter. I'm going to take the new filter and just put that in place, push that up, and give it probably about 1/8 of a turn. And then once you do that, you'll see the red locking tab come down. And then once that's done, you're in good shape. Once everything's installed, you'll want to go ahead and just creep your water pressure back on. Don't give it full blast, just slowly bring it on. And we'll let that go into the system. I'll do a little flush before I'm ready to turn the system back on. So once it's pressurized, you'll want to check for any leaks on the new cartridge itself. So it's just that simple. In and out, and you're ready to go for another year.